Hey guys, what's going on? General Mechanic right here. Another quick video. I just hope that every one of y'all are having a great day today. And today I'm making this video just to show you timing marks on a 2003 Honda Accord 4 cylinders. It's a VTEC engine, and I don't know if you've seen my other video, but it's pretty much the same thing, same process as the 2010 I got on my other video. I probably put a link on the description down there. And but I just wanted to share timing marks just in case you might be wondering, is it the same as a 2010 or whatever, I believe I had a comment not too long ago about a guy asking me about if it was the same or not, and kind of share a diagram with him and stuff. But besides that, I just wanted to share this so you can keep it, and just in case you need it, you can come look at the video. But look, just like the 2010, you're gonna find a little dot right there on this bracket, both camshafts. You're gonna find a dot on each sprocket. There's one, and you're gonna find a little line on the sprockets too. It's probably gonna be hard to show you that little line. I'm gonna squeeze the camera in there and see if we can do it. Hopefully we can get it to focus. And there they are. As you can see, there's one line right here and one line right there. I didn't want to mark them this time, so we can just actually see the little marks, And there's a little dot right there, and like the other one, that's when I zoomed in over there, you can see them right there. So and like I said before, you may want to start from the bottom, you may want to start from this corner right here. Either way it goes. If you're replacing the timing chain, I believe in my other video I didn't replace it, so it was a little, you had to be looking for the little marks. And like on this one right here, I got the chain right here, and this is an old chain, the one that came out of it. Let's see, I believe you can still see the timing marks on this thing, or the color code links on it. But anyway, I believe you can, if you clean it up really good, you should be able to see, the marks on it. Like like on this one right here, you can really tell these two are different color. I don't know if the camera is gonna show it, but there's two with different color, and there's two with different color right here. So that could be something you can do. Clean it up really good and check for marks. But if you're replacing the timing marks, this is gonna come with 4 color painted links on top. So you're gonna use 2 for the intake and 2 for the exhaust mark. And as you can see, I already got them over there. What you got to do is the mark needs to stay in the middle of them 2 links, and the mark needs to stay in the middle of them 2 right there. You can see we got them set up. And as we go down, I'm gonna show you another little thing. And like I said, I didn't want it to mark the timing mark so we can actually see, exactly where the things are. So if you look over here, I got the color code link over here, but there's a little dot that is covered by the link. But if you pay attention, that's not the only one. That's not the only mark on it. If you look on the bigger part of the sprocket, you're gonna see a little line right there. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit, and you can see that little line. That little line tells you where the mark on the crankshaft sprocket is. So this is the way, and this is the way I hold it. You see, I got 2 little plastic zip ties on it, and I'm holding the timing chain before, so I can put the timing chain tensioner on it. Unless you got somebody else that can hold it, and stuff like that. But since I was gonna record this, I wanted to just put this is the way I like to do it anyways, so that way I can go up and down making sure that I did it right. And If you have two little zip ties right there, you can hold the chain a little tight so you can go ahead and put the tensioner. So that's pretty much what I got left to do, put the tensioner on, and I should be able to put the cover on and prime the oil pressure, holding the tensioner out. That's the way I like to do it. You know, the cover has a little plate that gives you access to the tensioner, and you get somebody to turn the engine without blowing the coils, you know, so it won't crank. So you can prime the oil pressure and have, you know, the tensioner really activated, you know, by the oil pressure. So that's pretty much, you know, it for this job. And this was the main reason of making it, so you can see where the timing marks are. Again, 2003 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. The body style, I don't think that makes any difference, but this is what we do. And thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave thumbs up, share it if you can, but the main thing is subscribe, as we got more videos coming. Okay, so thank you for watching again, and have a blessed day.